In this video, let us explore the DDL statement, the first one called create. By using create statement, we can create the table structure. So DDL statement create, by using create statement, we can create the table. The syntax is in this way: create table name. So now we need to provide the column name and data type and size we need to provide. Similar way, column name on n number of columns you can provide. The n number of columns you can provide. So and finally you can provide a column n. N number of column you can provide. The column name 1, column name 2, column name 3, column name 4. In this way you can provide n number of column names. At last you need to close the bracket. Okay, this is the create table statement. So while providing the name of the table, we have to follow some of the basic rules. Rules for providing the table name. So what are the rules for providing the table name? First rule: the name of the table should not start with integer values. Second one, any reserved keywords should not use as a table name. The third one, the table name should not contain space. So that's not a acceptable one. Fourth one, so you can use camel case or Pascal case or snake case. What is meant by camel case means, but we have to follow the same naming convention throughout the database. Okay, the camel case, we can use any case, camel case, Pascal case, or camel case or snake case. Okay, but it should be consistent throughout the database. So throughout the database we should follow the same consistent manner we can able to follow. Pascal means the first character of each word is in uppercase, that is called the Pascal case. Camel case means the first character is lowercase, afterwards the upcoming word, the first character is in uppercase. Snake case means we are using underscore only. So either you can use any one of the approach, but it should be consistent throughout the database. And next one, fifth, so we should use underscore for better readability purpose. If you want to make it a better readability, you can use underscore. It's acceptable only. Okay, and these are the fundamental rules we should follow while providing the name of the table. Now we can try to create one table. Now the table name is the product table we'll try to create. Yes, we'll go to our database. Yes, we can make it as a system CLS. Yes, it is a clear screen. First we need to connect to our database. First we should display all available databases. Show databases. Yes, these are the databases are available. We will point to Gentek DB. Yes, we'll point to Gentek DB. Now if we can see the database, which database it is pointing now? Database. Show database, it is telling show database. So we can type the command not show, select database. It provides, so which is the database it is pointing? Gentek DB. Yes, currently we are using Gentek database only. In this database, okay, do you have any tables? I would like to write a show tables. So currently we don't have, no, we do not have any tables. So we will try to create tables now. The first statement, create table, because we are following the as per the syntax, we are creating the table now. Okay, create table product. Create table product will provide prod id. Prod id, that is a int. So either you can provide in this way. Prod id, that is int, comma. Next one called prod name, means product name. The product name is, that is workcar around some 50 we can provide. So next one called price. The price we need to provide decimal 7,2. It means 7 digits. Among 7 digits, 2 are decimal. And next one called manufacture date. MANUFACTU, manufactured date. Manufactured date will provide as a date. And next one called location. Location we can provide workcar of 50 we can provide. Next one means we'll provide the city name. City name, that is a workcar of 50. So now we can, if we can press enter, yes, it was creating the table. So once after creating the table, you would like to see the structure of the table. So we can describe the table. How we can able to describe the table? Describe product. Yes, it provides. So what are the columns are available and what is the data type of each column? Okay. By default, our table contains all columns are null value by default. Yes, it was representing. Currently, we haven't applied any constraints, so the key column is totally blank. That is fine. Okay. Now we have created the table. So once after creating the table, now by using a describe command, we can describe the statement. By describe table name, it provides the structure of the table, because what is the data type of each column and what is the data type along with the size of the each column, everything we can able to explore by using describe table name. So this is the way we can able to create the table name, tables. So in the next video, we will try to explore how to insert records into the table. Then how to insert records into the table comes under DML. What is the purpose? We are jumping once after the create statement, we are moving to insert statement. The reason, we have to perform truncate later stage. If we can have a records, we can do truncate. So for that purpose, we are exploring insert statement in our next video. Thank you.